So I'm one of the last persons to interview Soha, and I actually don't know what new to ask her, but she's thrown a challenge at me that I have to ask something new to you, right?
But I said everything must be new. Every question should be fresh and new.
So not even about the film.
Yeah, you can ask in a new, different way. Yeah.
अच्छा आप ऐसा क्या किरदार नहीं प्ले कर रही हैं इस फिल्म में?
Oh my God, yes. I'm not playing an action role. I'm not playing. It's not a horror film.
Yes.
No, it's a nice. When I say social message, I'm so scared that nobody will come to the theaters because people don't want to see a social film. तो ये social documentary बिल्कुल नहीं है. Commercial film है. इसमें of course कोई male superstar नहीं है. सिर्फ मैं हूँ, 3 छोटे बच्चे हैं और कुछ अच्छे performances आपको देखने के मिलेंगे. लेकिन कहानी बहुत अच्छी है. I can promise you that there's content, there's a plot, there's suspense, there's drama, there's emotion, there's beautiful songs. No Yo-Yo Honey Singh songs, but there's Malini Awasthi and there's Sharda Sinha and there's Rabindranath Tagore. So it's that kind of film.
You know, being a journalist, I have seen already a film about child trafficking. Mardani has come about, and it has been received very well from the audience. So do you think there's kind of a hope that, you know, audiences are actually changing, because that film really got a great opening and great business. People really were appreciating it about it a lot. So this kind of a subject, the way it has been tackled in your film also, do you think people will actually come out and be open to viewing the film?
Yeah, I hope people don't say, now we've seen one film on child trafficking and, you know, we saved up money for that child trafficking film. Now we don't want to see another child trafficking film. So this is actually, Mardani probably had child trafficking at its core. This is the backdrop. It's really about Neha, who's my character, who comes from America to set up a school and hopefully through the school help children's futures in this country, especially people who don't go to school. She wants them, especially in rural areas. A lot of children don't go to school. So she wants to build a school for their future, and then she gets embroiled in the local politics. So it's one woman's, which is why she's wearing a cool leather jacket and looking like trying to look cool in the poster.
Trying to look cool, you're not looking cool in the film.
What people don't understand is that that jacket is not mine. It's one of the 13-year-old boys. So it's a little bit small.
But and it has fit you very well.
But it fits me well, which is a little disturbing also. But anyway.
आप उस एज में कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि you finished your education and you've come back and you think that, वो I think हर एक के साथ होता है कि मैं दुनिया बदल दूंगी. ऐसे कभी होता है कि revolutionary Soha has returned after starting?
बिल्कुल. Actually, my first job was with an NGO. तो I worked for 2 years with the Ford Foundation और एक program था education का जिसमें मेरा involvement ज़्यादा था. So I worked with an NGO. We have a Patodi Trust at home also. हमारा जो एक गांव है Patodi हरियाणा में. So we do a lot of work with the girl child and we've contributed to a school there. We give scholarships for girl children. We've opened an eye hospital there as well. So there's a lot of work that I've done and I've known a lot, but I think there's something that emotionally transforms you when you act on a film, when you play a character and when you interact with children, that transforms you from within. And then it's not academic. It's not like something you read in a book and you contribute like so much money per month to a charity. There's an emotional change that happens, which is what I love about cinema.
And one more aspect about the film you spoke that how difficult it is to maybe about your character, that you're trying to do something and maybe the system in India or however it is the structure, it's quite difficult. But in real life, have you ever faced that, when you're trying to do something good, but the system and the structure of maybe the government or whatever you say, it really stops you and you really bogged down by that?
There are so many instances, I feel, because there's so much red tape and so much bureaucracy. Anything becomes a bit of a chore. It's difficult to buy a railway ticket. It's as simple as that, or when you get your driver's license, or when often the system confronts you. When you want to get a landline, for example, it can be difficult and you have to be very patient and you try and say, okay, I'm not going to use contacts, I'm going to go via, you want to get a gas cylinder. It's very problematic. So there's a lot of paperwork, there's a lot of red tape also if you want to do good work, and it's important also because, you don't know which NGO you're contributing to, whether they're legit or not, where that money is actually going. You can't go yourself often to the ground to see that. So on one level, bureaucracy is good, on one level, too much bureaucracy is bad. And India, because it has a billion people, because there's so many people, we've created so many jobs that we don't need because we need the employment. So these are things that we have to, but I really believe that in the past 2 years, and this year in particular, I've seen a change. People are interested in politics now in a way that they weren't in the past. We feel that there's a good leadership at the front and that changes are going to happen. When it comes to women in security, the media has taken an interest. When it comes to violence against women, those crimes are being covered by the media in a way that they weren't before. So I'm really quite hopeful.
And why don't we see much of Soha in those commercial masala films, or the scripts come to you and you say no? Because there are many actresses who come on camera and actually say that I'm not interested in doing a masala film.
I've done, quote-unquote masala films. I've done comedies. My last film was also a comedy, which was, with Arshad. There was certainly no social message in that whatsoever. If there was, I couldn't find it. But people come to me with certain scripts, so I can only choose from what I'm offered. And a lot of them tend to be substantive roles which are, have a social message, which I'm not opposed to. But once in a while, it's nice to do comedy as well. And really, it's quite cathartic to not have to think so much about making a difference. So you should do a little bit of everything.
And on that note, thank you so much. And I hope I have actually asked quite a lot of different questions than what has been going on.
I didn't fall asleep in the interview, which is good.
Thanks a lot, Soha. Thank you.
Thank you.